Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file Small Claims Court Los Angeles. Gather evidence, identify the defendant, and prepare your claim form. Start by confirming you meet monetary limits and that the court has jurisdiction. Organize receipts, contracts, messages, and photos into a clear folder. Decide whether you need a witness and draft a concise statement of facts. This process saves time and improves your chance of success. Begin by filling out the plaintiff section, defendant details, and demand amount clearly. Describe the claim in plain language and attach supporting documents. Include exact dates, invoice numbers, and any attempts to resolve the dispute. Double-check names and addresses to avoid delays. Choose your filing method, in person, mail, or online if available. Keep copies of everything and note the filing receipt for your records. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep evidence bags tidy for court snacks and receipts. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and save time during busy case prep. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a set if it helps your routine. Now let's get back to the video. After filing, arrange service promptly and obtain proof of service. Review the judge's procedures and prepare a short, factual oral statement for trial. Organize exhibits in numbered folders and prepare copies for the judge and defendant. Practice answering likely questions and keep emotions calm and professional. Arrive early and dress appropriately. If you win, follow post-judgment steps to collect any award efficiently and legally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.